It's not just when you're on the road that cars treat you like you're invisible. If you try parking in the supermarket, you're going to get rammed by trolleys and generally fuckwits. Motorcycle parking is either non existent or an open invitation for somebody to come and ram you. Tesco's in Minehead. I won't go to Tesco's because every time I get rammed by a trolley. So, here is a very simple example of how I park. Of course, you've got to avoid all the twats in cars because they basically just ignore you or try to ram you. And for some reason, people think a car park is a public footpath and they just walk out in front of you. Here, I spot the parking space, and of course, yes, it's a footpath, technically, but bikes are allowed on it. Find yourself a nice parking space that has marked out area. So basically, trolleys are not allowed in there, cars aren't allowed in there, people technically are not allowed in there. But there's nothing saying a bike cannot fit. And the way I see it, it is a perfect size for my little beastie.